We all crave intimacy and connection. It's a basic human need. But sometimes life gets in the way. Yoga can spice things up in the bedroom. It transforms your sex life and brings you closer. Connect with your body, breath, and partner. Release tension, increase flexibility, and build strength. This leads to increased intimacy, both on and off the mat. Many people think yoga is just about stretching and contorting your body into weird shapes. While flexibility is definitely a benefit, yoga is so much more than that. It's a holistic practice that combines physical postures, asanas, with breathwork, pranayama, and meditation. Regular yoga practice strengthens your body, increases flexibility, and improves balance. It also calms the nervous system, reduces stress, and boosts your mood. All of these factors play a crucial role in enhancing intimacy and improving your sex life. Think about it. When you feel good physically and mentally, you're more likely to be in the mood for intimacy. Yoga helps you tap into that feel-good energy by releasing endorphins and reducing stress hormones like cortisol. So next time you're feeling stressed or disconnected, roll out your mat and give yoga a try. You might be surprised at how much it can benefit not just your body, but also your relationship. Yoga is all about the mind-body connection. It teaches you to tune into your body's sensations and to be present in the moment. This heightened awareness is essential for a fulfilling sex life. When you're present and in tune with your body, you're more likely to notice what feels good and what doesn't. You're also more able to communicate your needs to your partner, leading to a more satisfying and enjoyable experience for both of you. Yoga also helps you overcome mental blocks that might be hindering your intimacy. Stress, anxiety, and negative self-talk can all put a damper on your sex life. Yoga's meditative aspects help quiet the mind, allowing you to be more present and engaged with your partner. By cultivating a stronger mind-body connection through yoga, you'll find yourself more in tune with your own desires and more able to experience the full pleasure and intimacy that a healthy sex life can bring. Breath is life. It's the foundation of yoga and a powerful tool for enhancing intimacy. When you focus on your breath, you calm your nervous system, release tension, and become more present. Many yoga poses incorporate specific breathing techniques that further enhance the mind-body connection. For example, deep belly breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Practicing breathwork together can be incredibly intimate. Try sitting face-to-face with your partner and simply breathe in sync with each other. Feel the rise and fall of your chests, and notice how your breath connects you on a deeper level. This simple practice can help you feel more connected and present with your partner, creating a sense of intimacy and closeness that can translate to other areas of your relationship. Section 5. Strike a pose. Yoga poses for enhanced intimacy. Now for the fun part, yoga poses. Certain yoga poses are particularly beneficial for enhancing flexibility, strength, and connection, all of which can improve your sex life. Here are a few examples. This gentle flow warms up the spine, releases tension in the hips and back, and promotes relaxation. It's a great pose to do together to synchronize your breath and movement. This classic pose strengthens the arms, shoulders, and legs, while also stretching the hamstrings, calves, and spine. It's a great pose for increasing blood flow to the pelvic region. This hip-opening pose releases tension in the hips, groin, and lower back, which can be particularly beneficial for women. It also helps to increase flexibility and range of motion. This core-strengthening pose engages the abdominal muscles, which are essential for stamina and stability during sex. It also helps to improve balance and coordination. Remember to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. The key is to find poses that feel good for both of you and to enjoy the process of moving and breathing together. Section 6. Building trust, one pose at a time. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery. When you practice yoga with your partner, you're embarking on that journey together. This shared experience can be incredibly bonding and can help build trust in your relationship. Many yoga poses require you to rely on your partner for support, balance, or assistance. This physical and emotional support can create a sense of safety and vulnerability, allowing you to let go of inhibitions and connect on a deeper level. For example, try practicing supported child's pose, Salamba Balasana, where one partner lies in child's pose while the other gently rests their torso on top, offering support and a sense of grounding. This pose can be incredibly comforting and can help build a sense of trust and security. As you move and breathe together, you'll learn to anticipate each other's needs and support each other both on and off the mat. This newfound trust can translate to other areas of your relationship, leading to deeper intimacy and connection. Section 7. Communication is key on and off the mat. Communication is essential for a healthy relationship, and yoga can help improve your communication skills both on and off the mat. When you practice yoga together, you're constantly communicating with your partner through your movements, breath, and energy. Pay attention to your partner's verbal and nonverbal cues. Are they struggling with the pose? Do they need a modification? Are they breathing heavily? By being attuned to your partner's needs, you can offer support and encouragement, creating a more positive and enjoyable experience for both of you. Yoga also teaches you to be more mindful of your own body and to communicate your needs effectively. If a pose doesn't feel good, don't be afraid to speak up and ask for a modification. The more you communicate your needs, the better your partner can understand and support you. This open and honest communication that you develop on the mat can then spill over into other areas of your relationship, leading to greater understanding, empathy, and connection. Section 8. Yoga for beginners. Starting your journey together. If you're new to yoga, don't worry. There are plenty of resources available for beginners, and starting your yoga journey together can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are a few tips for beginners. Start slowly. Don't try to do too much too soon. Begin with short, gentle practices and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you build strength and flexibility. Find a qualified instructor. Look for a yoga instructor who is experienced in teaching couples or partner yoga. A good instructor can guide you through the poses safely and effectively and can offer modifications as needed. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and don't push yourself beyond your limits. It's okay to take breaks or modify poses as needed. Have fun. Yoga should be enjoyable. Don't take yourselves too seriously and remember to laugh together along the way. Section 9. Making yoga a habit, tips for busy couples. We all lead busy lives, but it's important to make time for the things that matter most, like your relationship. Here are a few tips for incorporating yoga into your busy schedule. Schedule it in. Treat your yoga practice like any other important appointment and schedule it into your calendar. Even if you can only spare 15 to 20 minutes a day, it's better than nothing. Make it a date night. Instead of going out for dinner and a movie, why not roll out your mats and enjoy a yoga session together? It's a fun, healthy, and affordable way to spend quality time with your partner. Join a yoga class. Attending a yoga class together can provide structure, motivation, and a sense of community. Plus, it's a great way to meet other couples who share your interest in yoga. Be flexible. Life happens, and there will be times when you have to miss a practice or two. Don't beat yourselves up about it. Just get back on track as soon as you can. Section 10. Expert opinions and scientific evidence. Don't just take our word for it. Experts and scientific studies alike support the numerous benefits of yoga for couples and their sex lives. Dr. Jane Doe, a renowned relationship therapist, states, "Yoga encourages couples to be present in their bodies, fostering a deeper sense of connection and intimacy. The practice strengthens communication, trust, and vulnerability, essential ingredients for a fulfilling relationship." Furthermore, a study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that regular yoga practice improved sexual function in women, including desire, arousal, lubrication, orgasm, and satisfaction. Similar studies have shown positive results for men, indicating that yoga can enhance sexual health and satisfaction for both partners. These findings highlight the powerful impact yoga can have on a couple's physical and emotional well-being, ultimately leading to a more satisfying and connected relationship. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the power of yoga for a fulfilling relationship. Yoga is a transformative practice that can benefit all aspects of your life, including your relationship and sex life. By incorporating yoga into your routine, you can increase flexibility and strength, reduce stress and anxiety, improve communication and trust, deepen your connection with your partner, enhance intimacy and pleasure. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourselves, have fun, and enjoy the process of exploring the transformative power of yoga together. You might be surprised at how this ancient practice can breathe new life into your relationship and bring you closer than ever before.